How to change your LinkedIn notification settings. Here's how to do it on your iPhone or Android device. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Next, tap Settings. Now, tap Notifications. Here, you'll see different notification categories, such as searching for jobs, network catch-up updates, messaging, posting and commenting, attending events, and news and reports, depending on your account. Tap any category to customize the notifications you want to receive. You can turn individual notifications on or off, or adjust how you're notified, such as through push notifications, messaging, or game notifications, where available. Once you've finished making your changes, your notification preferences will be saved automatically. You can return to the notification section at any time to update your settings. And that's it. You've successfully changed your LinkedIn notification settings. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips, app tutorials, and career advice.